Hi, I'm Vijay Balaji, and this is my final sprint. This is my eCard application. Uh, Coming to it, the major contributions for the eCard applications are login and sign up page animations, custom UI, admin controls, and also other extra options. So I got login and sign up animations over here. So login. So whenever you click on sign up and log out, sign up, login, sign up here, you'll get this animations over here and some custom UI. So I have some custom UI over here and admin controls. So whenever you long press this one, you will get this admin controls where you can add products to the page or your application. After that, I have a few extra options like the one here. You can select color, size, category, and others. So if you go for category, you have multiple options of here. So moving to the next slide. Here you can see eCard applications can handle both a guest user and a registered user. It's not like you will be logging in and then only you can go into it. So it's like you can view your application, you can view the products on the application, and you can also log in over here, and even without login also you can work on it. An eCard application, it uses Firebase authentication for maintaining and managing the user information and authentication to the credentials. While the eCard application uses the Firestore for maintaining the user's credentials and also other things like images. And after that, in the next slide, eCard user can shop on the eCard application where you can see multiple products over here. eCard users can add products to the cart and also add to the favorites. So you can by clicking this you can add your products to your favorites, and also you can add them into your cart just by tapping here, and there's your cart. And eCard application has a slide bar which can be accessed by swiping gesture and also by tapping on three lines which are present on left corner, which is over here, or by swiping in from left to right. So you can just view the other options over here by clicking it. After that, eCard users can view the product details. So by clicking on any product, you can view the product details, like this one, the description over here, like this dress has a good fabric. And also you have other options like colors, sizes, and color sizes. eCard users can also view the order history on your app. So okay, order history. So this is the North Face. I visited the North Face. So whenever you go to order history, you can just see you have visited the North Face. So likewise, so eCard users can manage their profile, can also upload profile picture through image picker, which is in Firestore. So whenever you are logged in, so by the time you log in and set up your profile, by clicking on profile settings, you can upload your image which is saved into the Firebase through image picker, Firebase storage to image picker. Moving to the next slide, eCard utilizes cloud storage from Firestore and image picker to store and any pictures to Firebase cloud. So as I said, to upload your profile pictures, the Firestore is used where Firebase cloud Firebase storage is used to store any pictures that a user uploads. And also the pictures, we can also add pictures from your default phone from here. So a static image is assigned if no picture is assigned to your application. So this is like if an unregistered user logs in and just wants to see, here you can see there's a sample email ID over here, guest user, and the default icon for a guest. well, the eCard application is migrated to Android X. This is to set the this is to set up. There are no compatibility issues with the application. Moving to last slide. eCard application has admin controls where admin can add new products to the application. So as I was shown, by long tapping, long pressing here, you can enter the admin controls, and here you can add other products. So by clicking this one, you can add images from your phone. So one here you can see here. So you can add images from your recent downloads, your SD card, drive, and photos. And after that, admin controls also consist of title, price, description, and other options like category. You can select category from here. It's like tops. You have different categories over here. After that, you have color. Even you have different colors over here, and sizes also. And you can add it from here, any products from here. And after that, admin controls are not shown openly by any buttons or indicator, but can be viewed with a certain gesture of long press. So there is no physical button over here or anywhere. Only a gesture of long press can open the admin controls. So that's it for this video. Thank you.